Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by grounding yourself and powering down the console. This prevents shorts and preserves data. Once done, remove covers and unscrew fasteners in a clear sequence so screws return to the same holes. You should photograph connector positions and battery polarity before disconnecting. This saves time when reassembling. Make sure to keep small parts organized in labeled containers. Now reach the battery connector, gently pry it free, and prepare the new Zonai battery for installation. You carefully position the new Zonai battery into its tray, aligning tabs and cable channels, forcing it risks damage. Next, reconnect the plug with matching polarity, ensuring the connector clicks and sits flush so contacts meet cleanly. Once connected, route the cable along the original path away from fans and hinges to prevent wear. Then replace any shielding or adhesive strips that secure the pack. After that, reinsert screws in reverse order, but don't fully tighten until all components are verified. You should reassemble enough to safely power the unit and test. This lets you confirm the new Zonai battery functions before final torque. When powered, check system boot and battery status. If it fails, turn off and verify connector seating, test voltage across contacts, and inspect for torn wires or reversed polarity. Make sure to use a multimeter for continuity checks. Once confirmed working, finish reassembly, tighten screws to spec, and safely store or recycle the old battery according to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.